Welcome back to SonicSnap. Today we got Shane O firing back at Malie Don with Defend Meself.
We not take this. Think I saw soap this a get you.
And flat same floor. What you are doing in a dark room with Shane O.
Nude up in next flip. Did I go left laugh to kill you? You just now bother. I fit defend me bumbo cloud self. Remember my name you call.
Yow, him waste no time. Straight out the gate, letting Malie Don know, Mina tek dis. That's how you open a reply track.
Knock it, wet him. Look what headshot left him. One fly through the fucker brain him farid get it. Had the slim care we carry the porridge belly. That splash him jelly ready for dash him ready.
Mad imagery, violent, gritty, straight clash energy. But notice, plenty gun talk, less creativity, still, it hit.
You buck up in a danger. Shot to shot boy we no give his ass. One call up my name till them kill you. Shoot him de la Vega. She wants have we new thugs not real to not even 21 strong wire your neighbor. Malie mean your fuck but it's some pussy lick ass. That name there you fi change that.
Brap, he goes straight for the disrespect. Real raw, maybe too raw. But in a dancehall war, nothing off limits.
Binds fully clipped till the crew max. See me and try nothing, pussy no a board box. It like killing me deal with uno no nuts. Pull up from the location, sending it a show map. Well a composure, don't run sporter. Pussy fi with 16, no carry by soldier. Castic close up, no face is soldier. And no 6 soldier, memorial poster. Wait there, peace time a
Bars heavy, no lie. But again, it's mostly relentless threats. No clever flip, no anthem hook, just pressure.
Peace time a rub on my shoulder. Near it, walk up and bust him it closer. Duck on no cola, no prop gun holder. Love collect up like silver pan coaster. Just know that modern badness not show back. Hold that. You grow tough, you grow soft like soul song. Deliver like postman. Turn in a goes out a 100, not even 4 stand. When you chip.
Now this line creative, collecting duppies like Coaster Silver, deliver like Postman. Wicked wordplay here.
When you chip like for me to see too much. No doctor, no devi pin yo. Remember me grim up left pussy head side split up. When the bama live, I know how see skill yo. Everywhere you say no hope Christ him see you. Take the life him give you. The tight thing kill you. Don't make me killers them walking at the road. Remember anywhere them see you, them a pint it to you.
Dramatic close, intense visuals, brutal delivery, ends the track with raw fire. So here's my take. Shane O come in aggressive, no doubt. Strengths, direct energy, some clever bars. Weaknesses, too many raw cuss lines, flow no switch enough. My verdict, solid diss, 7/10. But what you think? Did Shane O defend himself strong or is Malie Don still ahead? Drop your thoughts below and lock in with SonicSnap.